In this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor your competitors currently running Google Ads on a regular basis. As an example, we will be tracking lawyer ads. The notification will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To monitor currently running paid lawyer ads, we'll use the Google Ads Extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster, create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Google Ads Extractors page and click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more keywords. For example, lawyer. Specify your target location. For example, New York. Set ad monitoring frequency. For example, every day at 10 o'clock. To get notified about newly appearing ads, set the bot to deliver new items only. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted paid lawyer ads to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of currently running paid lawyer ads, including titles, descriptions, websites, and more. The bot will monitor newly appearing ads and notify you as often as scheduled. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster, track your competitors' paid ads using the Google Ads Extractor, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.